put your hand up if you have ever seen a story in a newspaper about someone's 16-year-old cat driving a Porsche into people at 2 in the morning.
Have you? With all this
sir.
AI and all, I have seen something like this. Just yesterday.
I know what you guys are thinking. Oh god, not another panel show. But this one, it's different. Welcome to Unpopular Opinions Live, the show where we take your most controversial, unhinged, and unpopular opinions and turn them into pure comedy gold. So, say Rohan, who wants to go first?
No. Seniors.
Sir, please, no, sir. Sir, you are the OG of the OG, sir.
Let's go. Okay. Thank you.
You know, that random man in the second row has said it. So now,
Remember, listen.
what greater
never-
authority is there?
If you ever feel low in life, okay, ever, just remember that. Jose, let's go.
That's the voice in my head in the mornings also. Let's go. So you have QR code? I can. Okay, we'll start with the first one. I don't want to start the show with something political, but here we are. So there's a huge social stigma around liking your own posts. Yeah. Why do people look down on it? For some of us, it's really tough now, you know. It's not easy. The algorithm is changing every day, and people who started their accounts in 1992 have less.
In 1992, you used to physically write letters to Mark Zuckerberg.
Yeah. Dear sir, can you please post this for me on your page? So I think we should all be allowed to like our own posts, and no one should look down on us. Thank you, ma'am, for your support. That's very kind. Reach down, yeah? Yes. Okay. That's it.
I am with you on this.
Thank you, Rohan.
Right? On a deeper philosophical level, if you don't like you,
Yeah.
why should other people like you?
Yeah. Yeah, and if you don't comment on I like you,
Yeah.
why should other
Exactly.
people like?
The next
Yeah.
step is we should not look down on people who comment on their own posts.
Correct.
Stuff, you know.
Yeah. Like I made a post yesterday, today I wrote under it, it's so funny.
That's
This
good.
guy.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
I don't think there is anything, I don't think there's a stigma in that. I like my own posts from time to time.
Oh, that's damn weird, bro. Why would you do something like that? Yikes, Sahil.
Okay, we now come to the real, and you guys have to answer me honestly on this, okay?
Yeah.
But sometimes, do you post something and then like spend 5 minutes looking at it like, लेकिन बनाया तो मस्त भाई. Font selection तो देखो भाई का. Right? You do that sometimes. Like sometimes I look at my own post and I'm like, आज तो बाल टकाटक लग रहा है भाई. ठीक है?
I do that. I got a notification from Instagram saying, stop looking at your own posts. You've watched your own story 500 times. New achievement.
Insights, narcissism.
But then the funeral also happens, right? You do the post funeral. Do you ever do that where you put out
Like,
a
do I
post?
go to funerals and scroll all the time?
Tata ji, आपका phone दे दीजिए. You won't be using it anymore.
Without headphones.
Like shit, 10k likes नहीं आया. Baby, give me your phone 1 second. भाई साहब आपका phone देना 1 second.
Hey,
The
okay,
funeral.
very
Stop
important.
crying 1 second, give phone.
Do you have a fake account that you use to like your post,
No.
or you like from your own this thing?
No, I like from my own this thing. Don't own it.
Okay.
Also, do a fake account and all, bro.
Finsta, it's
no,
called.
fuck
Bro,
off.
you know how much work it is going from
Yeah.
one end of the road to the other end of the road?
Yeah.
Benchot, make a
exactly.
new account and all. Fuck, that's too
Oh.
much. I have 2 accounts.
Like,
I'm just kidding. Don't clap for that. What is wrong with you? Stop it.
your other account is what? Suresh Menon.
Suresh Menon. Benchot, he never comments on you on my post. You'll see it's Suresh Menon, but with a slightly different spelling. Real accounts with the hair.
I had when I was in college, I had created a fake girlfriend. Okay, I was very bored. Let's just not get into that.
Oh,
story.
bored. Oh, that's the word. Let's go with that word. Bored. That's the word we should go with. Yeah.
I thought liking your own posts was bad.
Yeah, exactly.
This is I made a fake
Wait,
girlfriend.
1 second. Was this Sonika?
Yeah,
Yes, it
yeah,
was.
yeah.
I had the misfortune of knowing Sahil in college. Okay,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Sahil used to have these passionate conversations
Yeah.
on Facebook in a relationship with
Myself. So what-
Sonika Kochar.
Sonika Coach. Yeah.
Release the DMs.
Yeah,
What is happening?
release the Kochar files.
We don't talk anymore. It's so I was very bored, and my boredom reached new heights. Okay, where basically I created this fake profile just as a joke, and then everyone was in on the joke, and and then I had 2 browser tabs open. Okay, one normal, one incognito, and I would comment on my post as Sonika saying "Love you, baby, love you very much," and then I would reply to Sonika saying "Oh my God, thank you so much," and it got too far after a point of time.
Oh, after a point of time, is it? Okay.
After a point of
After a
time.
point of
We
time.
celebrated her birthday at Five Spice. 5 friends of us went and we cut a cake, and she obviously.
You got 4 people to be in on this with you.
And they all like, ये किसका birthday है? क्या है?
Like, yeah.
You couldn't get this information out of me with a gun to my head. And you're just sharing this with everybody. in
I
your
am
file.
not ashamed of my
Start an
past.
OnlyFans
Okay?
instead. Sonika Kochar.
You know, to be honest, I have.
You have?
Dude, you saw na that Indian guy who earned money recently. The Indian guy who earned
Duping,
money.
MAGA people,
yeah,
right?
MAGA
Yeah,
people.
yeah,
It's a
100%.
Great
I think so.
income
MAGA
stream.
guy.
I agree.
And then I can like my own posts again.
Exactly.
So it's all.
Are you the Indian guy? Secretly posting provocative photos in red caps. Make Undhyo great again.
So yeah, I believe, like just to wrap it up, I believe yes, we should be allowed to like our own posts, and there should be no stigma around it. Done.
I agree
Thank you.
100%.
Yeah.
Wow, I was expecting a lot of backlash for this, but
No, Jose.
That's
love
good.
We
yourself.
love you.
Thank you,
yeah.
that's
Yeah.
great.
I think you're okay, but love yourself.
Thank you. There's always Sonika
Yes.
who
You'll
loves
see
me.
her in your DMs
Yeah.
tonight.
I love that you chose the most Splitsvilla sounding name for a person that you could find. Like, just amazing.
Oh man.
Just one step away from Tanya Singhania. Right? Yeah.
Oh, fun times, fun times. What
Yeah.
is your opinion?
Okay, my opinion is, okay, and I don't care if you guys think this is unpopular. Yeah, that's right, provocative. So, my opinion is, I think if you are hosting people at home, right, and people are over, party situation, friends over, whatever, I think it is perfectly okay to at some point just look everybody in the eye and say, guys, I'm tired, go home. And I don't think that that's rude, all right? And I think there's a set formula
Okay.
for the amount of time which is appropriate, after which it is polite to say that. And that I have a very simple formula, all right? It's 2 multiplied by longest commute it took a person to get there plus 5. So hear me out. You're factoring in the time they took to get to your house and the time they'll take to go back plus 5 minutes. Like, they shouldn't be on their way home and who like, bencho, it took longer to get here and go home than I was at this party. But I think outside of that, it should be perfectly okay to look at people and go like, guys, y'all are nice, but
Yeah.
chal.
But also very tough to pull off in Mumbai because you're
Correct.
on the road like
Like
for
where they
6
came and
hours.
now the road is dug up and now they just live there. Like, they're your roommates now. So I think it should be okay to be like, guys, I'm sorry, this was great, but now I'm tired. So on that note,
Yeah.
listen.
Yeah, I'm just saying I overstayed my welcome the last time.
You live 5 minutes away.
Yeah, but with the
My
roads
commute
stuck
was
up-
5 minutes.
Yeah.
5 into 2, 10 plus 5, 15. It's been real.
Oh, thanks, man. Thanks, man. It's nice knowing you.
I think so. This is my opinion. I think we put too much premium on this whole, like, because look, we all have that one friend who does not leave. Okay? And you do all the things that are considered polite by, so a lot of the like, अरे कल तो काम है. अरे bro, fuck, oh, early start tomorrow. Oh,
I find
now
that
you do
these
all
things
of
don't
that.
work.
Yeah,
because
they
like,
don't.
They're like, oh, he's okay with me kind of being a. So I pick up the phone. What happened to grandma?
Yeah.
No.
No, that's crazy.
You need me. You need him also. ठीक है हम लोग दोनों आ रहे हैं.
Lifting her would it's a two-man job, you know.
Because look, sometimes, let's face it, we all have that friend who, like, no offense and respect to him or her, he's clearly going through something.
That's okay. You can make eye contact
And
with
he
me.
doesn't want to go home.
He's going through your
Listen,
snacks.
yeah.
You can
Listen,
talk about me. It's fine.
Sonika, I'm not talking about you. Alright, but and you can tell, like, you know, now, like, he should have stopped drinking.
Yeah.
He's gone from, he's finished all the good whiskey to all the whiskey to now he's reached that stage of vodka, abhi chalega yaar. Right? And it's 6 in the morning and you're 43. Right?
Yeah.
And you're like, just go to therapy, bro. Right? So I think there's a point where it should be okay to be like, bhai. Not in exactly. Sorry. I don't know. I made really perverse eye contact with you.
He has that effect on people.
Yeah. Like, it's the beard. Like, I think
Yeah.
it's the beard.
Yeah.
Like, sir, are you growing bees in there? Because that is like, you know what? If we were friends, you could stay at my house as long as you wanted. The only thing is every 20 minutes, you'd have to let me run my fingers. And that is how you get them to leave.
Fair. But yeah, audience, what do you guys think? Is there like a stipulated time frame for someone to overstay their welcome or stay? Do you agree with this formula?
Yes.
Love this group of inhospitable old people. Again.
And all the people who are quiet are just thinking, am I that person?
Yes, that's exactly what it is.
You're telling me people can't read those social cues when you say.
No, there are some people who ignore them. It's
hate
not that they
that.
don't read them. They, of course, they read them, but they're like,
Madam
मैं
चोर
तो
लोग
नहीं
हैं
जा
बेचारे.
रहा.
It's
ठीक है?
like, so,
हाँ.
how long it took you to get here?
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
what plans?
According to So what tomorrow? Yeah.
11 बजे.
Tomorrow. Oh, you have no job. Oh. Okay, just things like that. But no, that happens. And sometimes we all have those friends who they've been going to the bathroom in groups of 2 and 3. You know what I'm talking about? And they've been coming back all like, and they're all like, bro, मुझे सोना है. Guy, मैं गांजे वाला हूँ भाई. मुझे सोना है.
Sahil is editing in his
No.
head.
I'm just clarifying audience के लिए. If anyone watching, this is nose drops, okay? सांस लेने में तकलीफ होती है.
The finest Colombian otter.
Have you ever faced an incident like this where someone's at your house and they're just not going?
I don't have any friends, so it's not much of a
Or
problem.
Jose was probably like, my child has been there for 8 years now.
That it's me only in the bathroom. वो मैं ही है. Like, are you leaving? I'm looking in the mirror. Are you leaving?
Hypothetically, if we were at your house, we've overstayed our welcome, what would you say to tell us to fuck off?
So see you later, Sahil. Bye. Take care. I'm gonna go in that room. That's my main door over there.
I like how you love these ding dong. I mean,
What happened to Dadi Ma? We just got back from the
Guys,
hospital
yeah.
20 minutes ago.
Yeah, they're like, Sahil, we should leave. He lost 5 grandmothers. I think we're bad luck. Kovaso family.
He's like, how many friends do you have? Stop it.
yeah, more daddies than friends at this rate, but got it. Fun. Interesting. I'll tell you my opinion, okay? And this is because this got triggered. I went for a concert recently, and I believe that if you're at a concert and you put someone on your shoulders, right, to watch,
Right.
both of y'all should be punched and kicked.
Oh shit.
But the more efficient thing to do is just kick the lower person in the back of the knee. Save energy.
It's so irritating. I can't help it if your girlfriend is short, but that doesn't mean she gets premium experience just because. Yeah, and now I am blocked, so now I have to have someone carry me, so I'm taller than her. Then she puts someone on top of. Janmashtami is happening. You know? That is it. My whole view is ruined.
I'm scared to laugh at that joke. But These people are standing in front. You can even lasso them with your belt.
Yeah.
Pull them down.
Yeah.
Have you ever faced an incident like this where someone in the front has blocked your entire view because they are on the shoulder? Or have you lifted people?
I'm tall.
I mean, I agree.
I'm
yes,
tall.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
No, I'm okay. No, I've lifted people, but with lifting people, the rule is like, okay, you get like 2 minutes. Now come down. Like you got your Insta, no?
Huh.
Now come down and enjoy with the rest of us.
Huh.
Because see, sometimes I also feel bad for like short people
I
at
agree,
concerts,
I
right?
agree.
Like, have you seen short people at concerts? They look like baby pigeons. Came here to watch Linkin Park, but I can only smell this guy's armpit. Like, I feel bad for them sometimes. I'm like, come, you know, for 2 minutes, let me raise you up. Like, yes, this is what every day looks like for me.
Like the Lion King scene. Ah,
Yeah, exactly. And then back down, straight up.
There's a line of 6 people say, Uncle Godi Lirna.
Yeah.
Uppies.
So I feel some sympathy for them, but I also think there should be a separate, like, short
zone.
people section. Yeah. Like, one separate, like, you can only enter if you're under this.
Nice.
And all of y'all can sit together
Nice.
and be short together. And y'all are not now, like, if there's between y'all 1-2 inch ka farak, now sort it out between yourselves. Alright, as long as 2 of you come out of that alive, it's fine.
Yeah.
Both
Right.
people keep doing that, so.
Yeah.
Ek idhar, ek udhar.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Kya baat
I
hai?
want to add to your this thing. I mean, like, the thing that really pisses me off
Yes.
though now at concerts is whenever like so Linkin Park's playing, etc., whatever, say in the end or whatever starts, every single person now has their phone up. Okay?
Yeah.
So there's this wall of phones in front of you, and you're basically watching this concert through this shit ass video wall. Okay? And I'm sorry, no matter what you think, your Zoom is not that good. Like, it is just not that good. तू GA का टिकट खरीदा, तू पीछे खड़ा है, अब तू यहाँ लेके क्या कर रहा है? Like, I think there should be a straight up, and you know what? Most of these artists, they do this thing, okay? Like, it's damn irritating. This Coldplay #1 offenders, okay? First half of the concert, no, this Chris Martin will be all like, you know, guys, be in the moment. Instead of being on your phones, let's just be here in this moment together. Then second half of the concert, be like, I want everyone to put your torches on. I want all of you to
Because
put
it
your
looks
torches
great.
on and have this moment together. And I'm like, Laude. Sorry. I take that back. I'm sure you're a lovely guy. But then, don't do this, no? This torch thing is nonsense.
Yeah.
Anyway, sorry.
No, I agree.
And then imagine you have your people on top of people, both with torches. Like, oh, Gondor calls for it. Chale, maar. The vegans are lit. Arre, niche.
Well, what is your take on that? We've discussed this before. You're not much of a concert person anyway, so it doesn't affect you that
Yeah,
much.
it's very far away from my house. That's why. But with this phone thing now, there is a solution. One person in the group will have a Samsung S25 or whatever, right? Make that person the dedicated phone holder like that. Baki sab log apna phone rakho andar. Either that or EMP grenade.
No, okay, I know you haven't been to too many concerts, but
It was
bro,
all
he
yellow.
didn't let me take my asthma pump in, okay? तो ये EMP grenade थोड़ा difficult है, ठीक है?
Is that your asthma
थोड़ा
pump?
like a-
Yes!
20 minutes later, why is Linkin Park playing an acoustic set today? I don't know, man. That tech got fried.
Yeah, I think that's a good solution. I think most of our solutions for everything is just violence only so far we find it. Right?
Yeah.
घर से निकालो EMP grenade और दादी को violent कुछ हुआ. you know.
Yeah.
Hey,
It's
you
called
can
the-
imagine. Jo,
Yeah.
We've not specified what happened to her.
Yeah. Violence good. It's called the BJP stratagem. Alright. And it works.
Yeah.
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 Delete. Yeah. Full delete. Yeah.
Since I used it, I personally have become chief minister of 45 states.
I'm putting Sonika's face on you on the edit. Now we are going to move on to the next round. We're going to have a fun debate, okay? Rohan, I would like you to choose someone from this side to join you on stage. Ooh. Yeah, come here. Come up on stage.
My bearded king. Join us. What is your name, sir?
Devesh.
Devesh. Have a seat, darling.
Jose, I would like you to select someone from this side to join you on
But
stage.
before we start, can you fucking appreciate that? Like, holy fuck, there are people. I was trying not to do that.
No, it's quite a solid, it's a hefty mass,
That's what I'm saying. There are people that do not have dicks that grow this long, alright? This man's face pubes.
I don't think dicks grow, but it's not like
Bencho thought you were born only with 8 inches, or what?
that is how I
The
was
doctor
born.
like, oh no, that's not the umbilical.
Yeah. Doctor was pulling.
Yeah, I don't think dicks grow. I'm not saying they grow on trees. That would be funny though. That would be mango season suddenly like.
Why the cucumber on the mango tree? Stop it. Don't encourage this.
Stop it, yeah, don't.
Yeah,
don't,
sorry, we're praising
David,
his
what
work,
we're trying to
yes.
say is welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome, and we're so sorry for whatever you've gone through in the last 30 seconds. Yeah.
I know that he left home getting his beard ready. I hope nobody touches my beard.
Yeah, exactly.
And first thing is just this.
Yeah, really. Immediately.
like a pet, you know, like oh.
You leave my Harsh Gujral alone. He's mine.
We need zip ties for
He's
Sahil.
mine. Right, yeah.
Okay, select someone from this side to
Who
join you and
wants
your
to
team.
have 10 minutes of material done on your beard? Come on up. Who wants to join me?
Guys, someone come up on
Anybody?
stage. Someone from this side. Anyone. You can pick and choose.
Yeah, we've
otherwise.
really created
Yeah.
an encouraging environment.
Okay, no beard touching or my hands are behind my back. Okay, guys, sorry.
I mean,
sorry.
unless you want the beard touching,
Damage
that's
has been
different.
done. It's done. It's over.
Yeah, guys, someone from this
Come,
side.
don't feel shy.
Quick. It doesn't matter.
You did not
Or-
think this segment through.
No, it's okay. We'll take someone from this side. We just need one more person. Come, man. Come, man. Come.
There we go.
Shame on this side.
Yeah.
Really?
This is
as usual.
the left.
Yeah,
It's
as
the
usual.
left.
Right wing overconfident. As usual.
The
Welcome,
left is
welcome.
always quiet.
Yes.
Can I say your beard is also really nice? And,
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Heenal.
hi.
All right.
Hi, Hinal.
So
How are you?
Devesh, Hinal.
Okay, perfect.
Fantastic. We have the makings of a Gujarati wedding here. डेविड का पता नहीं पर भाई आज जो ढोकला खाने वाला है अपोन
My husband is sitting there.
I was literally thinking about
Sahil,
that.
how could you say that?
Hashtag
How
also.
could you say such a thing? Hello, sir. What is your name?
Josh.
Josh. You know, Josh Hinal, good enough. Good enough. Acceptable. Same amount of envelopes. Net.
Okay,
Yes.
don't worry, Josh. There no marriage talks happening. Josh got very like. He has a scissor. Daadi डालूंगा उसकी.
Straight up.
Okay, we are going to have a debate. Before we start the debate, I need you guys to choose a side. Agree or disagree, okay? Your choice.
Oh, wow.
You're-
Before hearing it.
Before
Yeah.
hearing the topic. Team agree or team disagree?
Agree. He
Fine,
said
then
agree.
we disagree.
Yes.
I feel like we got tricked here, but ठीक है.
All right, and the topic that we will be discussing today is pets are any day better than having children.
I have to. Yeah.
As
I disagree. I disagree. You know how long it takes to train the dog to get something from the fridge? With the child, 3 times maximum you explain, हो जाएगा. Tommy,
Minus
beer-
the 5 years of actually raising the kid to understand
Yes.
stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Your
Yeah,
disagree
your
or disagree is
disagree.
with your disagreement.
Man, debate.
I didn't choose the
Does she win all the arguments at home? Ma'am, you are on the same team, okay?
Yeah, you have to support. Yeah. कभी लड़ने नहीं, हाँ, सही है.
Josh, is that something you have to remind her all the time? Baby, same team.
Same team, friendly
No, so
fire.
pets are better than children because I want. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. I would also like to say, have you ever put your hand up? If you have ever seen a story in a newspaper about someone's 16-year-old cat driving a Porsche into people at 2 in the morning.
Sir, which
Sir,
have you? With all this
sir.
AI and all, I have seen something. Just yesterday.
This is why, sir. I said newspaper, sir. This is why, sir.
ठीक है, please.
Yes.
There are benefits to having a child. You get priority boarding. And right?
Dude. Listen, when you're trying to get onto a plane,
Yes.
if you're holding the baby, they're
Yes.
like, yes, sir. It's
Yeah.
okay."
Yes.
You get so much
There are
privileges.
benefits to having a
It doesn't
child.
need to be my child, no? मैम एक सेकंड दे दो ना बच्चा मेरा.
Yes.
First मैं ये
The
ले लो.
advantage is you get priority boarding. The disadvantage is next 16 hours, congratulations, you are on plane with child. Exactly. Which you boarded early. So 17 hours.
I feel we are in Devesh, you want to say
Yeah.
something, brother?
That was the same point that kids in flight are never silent.
Okay.
Yeah. Exactly.
At least children are allowed on the planes.
No.
And you know what? This is what I mean about discrimination. In fact, you are allowed in some places to take dogs and cats on planes with you. And to the best of my knowledge, never has a dog on a plane gone to the seat in front of him and been like,
Okay, one minute. In their defense, never has a child come and humped my leg. Okay, so. In
You know
their
what?
defense, I'm just saying, never a child like, hey, निकाल यहाँ से. Chico, no.
every joke I have in response to that will get edited. So I will not say it. Okay? I'm just saying, okay, you don't have to worry about is my fucking dog going to get into Podar school or not. And then after all that stress for fucking
That's a damn
10
good
years, dog will go through Podar school. After this, is this dog gonna get like 51% in SSE?
Can we
not
switch sides?
Katwa.
You come here.
I'm just saying.
I'll go that
right?
I don't have to worry that my relatives will say, अरे आपके बच्चे को 50% आया.
Exactly.
कुत्ता
Exactly.
को 50% आया?
Exactly. Yeah. Here's the thing.
That is impressive
If
enough.
your dog gets 50%, people are like, that's crazy. Your dog sat the exact. Yeah. Anything your dog or cat does is impressive. Okay? Right? 100%.
Even
Like
the
when-
husky dancing.
Yeah, exactly. Husky dancing. Explain.
Terminally online.
You've come with Devesh.
Wow.
Devesh, who have you come with? Huh? Oh, fuck yeah, brother. Well
Bro,
done.
you're not alone. You're on a solo date.
Devesh, do you have any pets by any chance? Oh, you do?
This magnificent beard.
It's not a beard at all. It's
Yeah.
actually a
Exactly.
raccoon.
It's a chihuahua he's put over here. After the show, he pulls it out and takes it for a walk.
If you make koyal sounds, a weaver bird will come out.
Devesh, what pet do you have?
Dog.
Okay, amazing. And what is your? Will you ever have a child, or is it like
No. I have a small nephew, and handling a dog is much better.
There we go.
No offense to you, nephew.
Yeah.
He's watching the video and माँ के मेरा uncle है.
The hell?
मेरा uncle है ये.
Hey.
चू. इसको पकड़.
You know,
Another-
I am in the opposite this, but still, as a therapist, I agree.
Damn, Jose.
I mean, I'm
Damn,
sorry,
Jose.
but pets are so much better for your mental health than children. They're not going to give you BP or cholesterol.
I would just like to say we are such good debaters. We have converted the other side.
And
All right?
also,
Party बदल दिया इसने.
Like,
Raghav from Chhattar is here.
मेरा क्या हाल हुआ है घर पे nobody agrees with me.
Nobody. You and Josh should hang out after this.
Also, I just want to clarify, as a therapist, Jose desperately needs help because, his 5 grandmothers have passed away. Dude.
I'm sitting
Another
there
reason.
diagnosing, don't worry.
Another reason pets are better than children, okay? I'm just saying, if you go out onto the street
Okay.
and you bring a random child home,
Yeah.
people will be like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Right? Are you creepy? But if I go out onto the street and I see a random kitten and I bring it home, people are like, wow, aap sant ho. What do you mean, no? You're just a hater. Like you see a random kitten on the street and you bring it home, people are like, wow, what a good guy.
Yeah.
All right? But you go outside, you bring a random child home.
That's a good point.
And then, 10 years later, US Congress opens investigation.
Yeah. And then you just invade Iran, you know.
And then, exactly. And distraction. It is. So what you're saying is it is geopolitically better.
But the
To have
kid
a
is
pet.
not going to give you rabies.
What?
Hey, ma'am, 1 second. 1 second.
Ma'am,
We've got a lot
1
of
second.
arguments this side
Yes.
now. The scale is really tipping heavily.
Yeah.
We want to
if
now.
you reach rabies
Yeah.
as your only argument, okay, okay, fine, rabies is bad, but so is postpartum depression.
You gave us a raw
Hashtag
deal. How are we
be aware.
supposed to win this? How are we supposed to argue with this?
Sorry, 1
Yeah.
second. No,
This
one,
is so unfair.
One. We've got this side has given very strong arguments.
Yeah.
I think we want this side to now properly come on,
Yeah.
convince us
Correct.
that children
Yeah.
are better. And
मैं email भेज दूंगा.
do you
This
know?
guy is either a kidnapper
Yeah.
or he really wants children.
I'm genuinely serious how horrible that sounds out of context.
Yeah.
When I'm like, tell me children are amazing.
Yeah!
In the crowd, is there anyone, like now we need people on their side also. Anyone who is team children over pets? Yeah, sir, you sir. Okay, what's your name, sir? Nirav, give them a point that can make them win the battle.
Your pets are not gonna take care of you when you're old.
Oh wow! Is that the only reason you're having children? To have somebody who's going to take care of you? So it's
Listen.
all about you and your own selfish urges. I hope that when I am older, my children will be out living their lives instead of just worrying about me. Shame on you, Nirav. Why don't you instead go out and live your life in a way where when you're older, you have the resources to take care of yourself, alright? And if you didn't spend money wasting it on comedy shows,
No, one show is good enough.
No,
One show is allowed.
maybe you'll be able to afford a decent retirement home. And your child could, much like an animal, aka a good pet, spread its wings and fly. Shame on you.
That's if you keep a bird
fuck
as
you.
a pet.
This bullshit.
The dog
You
can
know,
fly.
I really feel like, this Bagban movie was dirty fucked up. Lot of people's impression in this world.
No,
and
he's saying
very
that,
bad.
but there's also a very high chance the child will also not take care of you.
Exactly.
We are opposite.
Exactly. Jose also converted. Bye. I think जीत गया. Last time.
I felt like y'all didn't have enough points, so I'll
Yes.
jump in because I'm experienced. You know.
What have we learned today? Rabies, not babies. This is what we have learned today.
You guys are clapping. Have you ever dealt with fleas? Huh? Children are less prone to fleas.
Also, hair everywhere. Like, bhai,
Don't talk about
kitna-
my wife. What about Ma'am, please stick to the debate. How am I supposed to win over here? I'm alone with my child who's not helping me in life.
You know the solution. Get a pet.
Jose, final arguments. We've got enough final arguments from them. I think scales have been tipped. You tried so sweetly and hug diya. Okay, sir. Just straight.
And this is why your child will never love you.
Jose, come on. Final. Come on. You can do it.
अरे
I
bro,
believe in you.
हम लोग किधर से आएंगे if we don't have more kids? हाँ? तुम लोग कुत्ते
जरूरत
रखेंगे
इंडिया में
क्या?
जरूरत नहीं है हम लोग का. हो गया हम कब से
No,
आएंगे
no. But if your parents thought that pets were better, then you wouldn't be here. Thanks, Ma.
The miracle of birth. Yeah.
Yes.
हाँ ठीक है. इतना खास भी नहीं है
Last in my
दुनिया.
bloodline.
yeah okay that's it, that's your closing.
Look, I have a child, so I'm on that
Exactly.
side only.
Exactly.
I'm just arguing for the show over here.
No, you believe children are better than pets. I'm
Yes,
supporting
yes.
you. I'm giving you the come on, fuck your
It depends
motivation.
which pet also, na?
Yeah, come on, like that guy. Let's
Like
go.
if you have
say-
an iguana,
Huh.
child is better than the lizard.
So
The
boring.
iguana is like,
I don't know, man. Can your child climb the ceiling? No.
yes.
Go iguana. Go iguana.
Do you have any closing arguments?
Try to help, okay?
I think there's only an emotional one, nothing else. So yeah, no.
Are you planning, like, do you have children? Are you planning on having children?
One second.
Eight second.
Nobody who comes on stage at a comedy show is required to tell you that. He's like 3 seconds away from, PAN card?
I don't have kids, no.
The noise from the back was,
I heard that. That disapproval from Seema Taparia in the crowd saying, "Hey, don't ruin my plans." No,
Yes.
I was saying the child versus pet wala this thing that way.
Yeah, no, I don't have a child or a pet. I'm a plant person.
good choice.
Wow. There we go. Number 3 has
You
entered
are
the
a
chat.
India.
Fuck you. Neither.
Low maintenance, very low maintenance.
Yeah, and if they die, then you get a new one.
Easily.
I think
That you can't do with dog and child died
Yeah.
easily.
No,
like
no,
plant
no.
dies, you have like, oh, okay, cool, that's it,
Yeah.
done. It's like
Exactly.
2 seconds of grieving process for plants.
Like, oh no. Oh shit. Yeah, pot.
Should have
Like-
been plant versus pet actually. Yeah.
What?
No.
No.
Wait,
No, no,
no one would be team plant.
Yeah,
okay,
nobody would
no
team
one.
plant. Yeah, plants exist, so your pet has something to pee on. Like, that is what. Like, that is what the plant is for. So, 2 reasons: pet should be able to pee on it. Builder should be able to cut it down.
Yeah.
These are the 2 key purposes of plants in Mumbai. Correct.
See, you had child you didn't defend, you brought in plant also you didn't defend.
Correct.
Now you're bringing some random, robot is better. Robot, little chitty is better than Sorry, that is such a deep cut reference.
Wow. Little Chitty.
Oh, God.
Rajnikant's rap name.
Okay, let's end the debate here. We'll take audience.
But why? It's so
One
close.
sec. What debate? There था debate इधर.
Yeah.
लोग का-
This was not a debate. This was 2 people thought pets were better than children. Then 3 people thought pets were better than children. Then 4 people thought pets were better than children. That is all
This
that
was more
happened
of a
here.
presentation. 6 reasons why pets are better.
Audience, you guys get to. We know the answer, but just for the heck of it, what do you think about Team Jose? Team Jose, did they win the argument?
We're nicer people, but
You shut up. We know your side.
And what do you guys think about Team Rohan? Well done, guys. Congratulations. You all won. We've come to an official conclusion. Pets are any day better than children. Yeah? Give round of applause. Round of applause.
Yeah! Give it up for Devesh.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
guys.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Aditya.
Aditya. What you
go
got?
for it.
I think the entire narrative around people should not be friends with their exes or you should not be friends with people you are attracted to is a very like a straight people problem or like heteronormative. I think that's totally fine if you want to be friends with your ex or friends with people you are attracted to.
See, he said heteronormative.
Yeah, even I was like, uske baad.
Means this is मैं इतना पढ़ा ही नहीं है ठीक है like ठीक है
Yeah, yeah.
मैं मेरा बैचलर्स पे खत्म हो गया मैं PhD तक नहीं पहुंचा
But are you still finding
Yeah.
them
नहीं
attractive?
पहुंच पाया.
Are you still finding them attractive while you're in the friendship with them?
How does that matter?
No, I don't.
See,
I
it
never,
can muddy things
I never said it mattered. I'm just asking कि है क्या वो थोड़ा
हाँ थोड़ा
Ki, hey, you want to meet for like, let's go for a coffee.
Damn.
Friends.
Yeah, friends.
Nice.
then they show up and you're like, hi, Sonic. I've been waiting 12 hours.
No, I think you can be friends with your exes. I'm
I-
with them
of
also.
course,
I
of
think
course.
100%.
I agree.
I think it depends more on how things ended and sort of where you all were. Then I don't think it's a blanket rule. I'm with him on this.
Yeah. Also, I feel
yeah.
like there needs to be that little bit of space.
100%. You
Between,
can't do it
no?
immediately.
Obviously,
You
not
gotta
immediately,
take
yeah.
time. You gotta take time out. Otherwise, yeah.
Because
You
that's when
have
they're
to
the
process-
most attractive. Space period.
Most attractive
I
is
still love you.
most attractive is honeymoon period before you ask them out, right?
Fair.
Maybe then.
I'm
That's-
scared, but I'll agree with you. Yeah.
No. I'm not going to flirt with you like that.
All right, so, and you're friends with your exes?
Yeah.
And you think people have a problem with that?
Yeah. People.
Wait,
Wow,
wait,
is that
okay.
the
Guys,
current?
1 second.
I have a very important follow-up question. Is it one of your exes who has a problem with you wanting to be friends with them?
No.
Then it's fine.
Hey, one lady,
Enjoy.
one lady in the audience
Yes.
quietly let out her inner.
Yes, we saw.
The sweet,
Yes.
nice little unpopular opinions became relationship advice all of a sudden.
Yes.
Ronak, what have you done? Ma'am, quickly, what's your name?
Sakshi.
Sakshi, yeah, Sakshi. And are you dating him?
No.
तो तेन इतना क्यों गुस्सा हो रही है? अच्छा ऐसे ही. You know him or you don't know him?
I have no idea who he is.
Oh,
Hey, a simple no would have been okay. I haven't the faintest.
Why would I
I
know?
haven't. I wouldn't know him from the other 7 billion sperm in the world.
She asked me what side I was on in the debate, and I said I think babies are more important than kids, and that's probably why she's upset.
okay. Let's not.
So you do know him?
Let's not get into the nitty-gritties of this beautiful,
Discussion.
Yashraj
Yes.
drama that has started over here. This Neil and Nikki moment that is happening over
Yes.
here. But Sakshi, real quick, what do you think? Should you be friends with your exes or no?
Depends on her ex, if they're a psycho or not.
I mean, obviously, those are conditions that come
I
with.
mean, of
Yeah,
course,
yeah.
yeah. If your ex has stabbed me, I'm not like, आजा एक और अभी यहाँ पे लगा यार.
Yeah, but she's sweet only, yeah.
Yeah. Gandhiji said, if one kidney goes, give the other kidney.
Really brought some nuance to that discussion.
Yeah.
I said, you be psycho na? What if your current is uncomfortable with you being friends with your ex? Then what?
No, I think when you are starting off a relationship, there are certain things you need to discuss.
मेरे साथ नहीं हो रहा है ये. मेरा शादी हो गया. This is for other people. Baby is for other people. Yes.
No, I mean, I think that there are certain people in my life that will remain close to my heart, regardless of what the equation was and how it ended.
Yeah.
It can be circumstantial, of course. So I think people who are now entering my life and want to be partners with me should be okay with the fact that there are certain people who are just like non-negotiable. I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
Exactly.
I would like to have them in my life.
सुन रही है साक्षी? Just kidding, man. Okay, cool. Yeah, got it. Then it's not an unpopular opinion. I mean, people are agreeing in the crowd. Let's just end the survey. Anyone who says you can't be friends with your ex, give me a cheer. Okay.
So those are the ones that ended badly.
Yeah. He was a
Easy to
psycho.
find. Straight up. Just.
I'm a little scared the therapist is disagreeing with me.
And those who say it's fine, you can be friends with your ex, you're all adults and we are mature, yes? Okay, cool, brother. Good, yeah.
झूठे.
मेरे
सब
जितना
यहाँ दिखा
सोचा
रहे
था से ज्यादा आगे दुनिया.
Yeah.
This was not very unpopular. You
Yeah.
should have come up here saying, I think it's okay to kiss your ex. Like that.
Yeah.
If
I
the
think you
stars
know
align,
what?
I guess.
You loaded the dice by saying heteronormative. But then आगे होगा मेरे को नहीं बनने का heteronormative. What? मैं तो agree करेगा इसके साथ.
That's the problem. Sahil told us to keep thinking about the unpopular opinion.
Okay.
All throughout the show. I've been thinking about this opinion since I booked the tickets.
Fucked his mind basically.
Teeny din हुए, but like yeah.
Yeah.
He's like, मेरे को comedy show में जाने
Now,
का.
yeah.
मैं बात करेगा.
College में भी इतना काम नहीं करना पड़ा.
My voice will not be denied.
मेरे पसंदीदा कॉमेडियन से मैं उनसे बात करेगा.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you, brother. He's so happy. Hi.
No, I'm happy to meet you exactly 1 year later because I met you at Comic Con and I even have a photo with you.
Yeah, I remember. I replied in less than 12 hours. Sorry, Vaidyashi.
You were in a dress at Comic Con. Sonika.
Okay, what's your name, brother?
Rohit.
Rohit, go for it. Give us your most, look at them and make eye contact and give us your most controversial, break them opinion. Do you have one?
Yes.
Oh,
Paris is the most overhyped city ever.
इसलिए मैं नहीं जाता वहाँ पे. I knew it. Correct.
Correct.
I go. Kanakya Paris, BKC is there.
Although that bloody show Emily in Paris कितना बढ़ा चढ़ा के बताता है, उसका कुछ नहीं है, बताता है क्रोसा खाएगा, ये करेगा, होगा. अरे बाहर नाइजीरियंस घूमते रहते हैं बस.
What just happened?
What part of the show can I keep online?
I was in the middle of a full laugh. Like, bro, yes, sir.
Yeah, we went from travel opinion to Madhur Bhandarkar so fast. Like the whip pan was so hardcore over there. यार साला हरामी नाइजीरियन लोग काय को आता है पेरिस में, तुम लोग को नाइजीरिया में रहने का ना. लौड़े तू चेंबूर में रहता है, चुप कर. काय को बघा रहा.
What are you going to keep with this show?
First 4 seconds of your opinion, I was like, चल ठीक है, Cox and Kings ने fuck all 4 nights 5 days दिया होगा कुछ. Then I was like, अच्छा, ये ठीक है, हाँ.
Okay, so Rohit, your Paris experience was subpar, and if we just cut out the racism angle for 2 minutes, talk about other aspects of Paris. Yeah, what are your other aspects? What was your dream of Paris, and why did it get shattered? Real quick.
Okay, so when we went to Paris, I went with my mom and dad.
Okay.
And
Dream already shattered.
dream already shattered.
Yeah.
And by that time, I had gotten engaged to my wife.
I mean, obviously.
And the problem
तो
was...
रोमांस भी नहीं होने वाला था पेरिस में, ठीक है.
And the moment we went on the topmost floor of the Eiffel Tower, अरे वहाँ पे सब लोग प्रपोज कर रहा है. अरे गांड जला ना बहुत.
Because
Yeah, fuck those guys.
because you should have proposed there and you didn't propose. You like, what was, why jala?
हाँ, मतलब ऐसा अजीब लग रहा था.
Because you're like, oh shit, Eiffel Tower के ऊपर करना था, not चकाला. अरे यार, इसको रोमांस नहीं कहते. Like why? What was the? That's what I'm saying.
No, I missed her. No. Okay. Apart from the central Paris area, the entire Paris is very dirty.
Okay.
There's a lot of garbage thrown around, and there's lot of traffic.
उधर भी BMC है.
Exactly.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
The crazy thing is sitting here and saying,
Yeah.
बहुत कचरा है उधर. Traffic ना माँ की आँख.
दिन भर है ना हॉन्ग हो रहा है उधर.
अरे यहाँ से तो जो escape होने के लिए गए थे ना वहाँ पे.
And escape नहीं हुआ.
Correct. And what do you think the Nigerians were there for? What do you think they were doing there?
Okay, then according to you, Rohit, which is dream city? Best city in the world from all the places you've been to. If Paris is like, oh, बहुत हो गया. What do you think is dream city? If you would tell everyone, bhai, must city hai.
Bangkok.
बीवी बैठी है ब्रो. बाइको बसली है, पायरा चित्ते आए.
उसके साथ गया था ब्रो.
अच्छा. रोहित भाई का हैप्पी एंडिंग.
Oh my God.
किती पैसे लागले फुकेट.
Oh man, well done. Well, nice opinion, Rohit. Interesting. I just want to know, anyone over here disagrees with Rohit? Anyone thinks Paris is like creme de la creme of the best cities in the world? Anyone? Everyone has said no. Oh wow, Rohit, congratulations! You got a very popular, unpopular opinion. So yeah, well done.
Yeah, they would be really
One
funny to
second.
do.
How many people have been to Paris? क्या हो रहा है?
How many people here have been to Kanakya Paris?
We're not disagreeing. It is apparently
Yeah,
it is true that there is a lot of garbage.
Correct.
Down over there, down the road from here. Also there. कितने लोग गए? हाथ ऊपर? How many people?
People have gone. Yeah,
Yeah, there we go.
Actually, चलेगा,
Bye.
No,
साल को
पैसे
audience
वाले हैं,
पैसा वाला है.
साले,
Bye.
yeah.
खार कॉमेडी क्लब है. Bye. ठीक है. पासपोर्ट है इधर के लोगों को.
And y'all agree with Rohit? Everybody?
Partially.
One person said no. Who said no at the back?
Pretty nice.
Huh?
It's pretty nice.
Paris is pretty nice. Yeah. Okay.
बस नीचे मत देखो. वो क्या है? क्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? इतना बड़ा इलेक्ट्रिक टावर बनाया उधर. Solid.
Okay, great. I think we got our opinion. Thank you so much, Rohit. Thank you so much, man. Thank you.
Man, I really want to one day prank call Rohit and tell him that he's won 3-night 2-day trip to Bangkok. And then I want to send him to like Mombasa. Okay.
तुम लोग कितना गांड मारा उसका? He didn't shake my hand, but on the way. No, please. Okay, I accept. Paris में मिलते हैं.
Oh, that is the sweetest racist man I have ever met.
Oh God.
हमें जो पेरेंट्स सिखाते हैं कि रिस्पेक्ट द एल्डर्स, रिस्पेक्ट दिस दैट, just because you were born before me doesn't mean I should respect you, except for parents.
100%. I agree with you.
Exactly,
I agree
right?
with you. His
I mean-
grandma sucks.
Whoa, she said not
One
to.
second.
She said not to
One
describe
second.
anything.
1 second. Which one?
They're all dead, so this is really weird for us.
Dude, his grandma is Mambo number 5, dude. Monica Sandra.
A little bit of Sonica in my life.
No, I agree with you.
I also agree.
I mean, I have relatives who speak like absolute bullshit and they have absolute bullshit opinions about my career and everything.
You could have
And
ended that
mind
with I have
you-
relatives. Correct it is.
And mind you, I'm a doctor and still they have bullshit opinions about my career.
Like
So
what?
I
What
just-
doctor are you, if I may?
I'm a physiotherapist.
You're okay?
Yeah.
And what did they say?
They
like
say
brain
ki-
therapist kashala nahi.
No. Like I cleared my NEET with really good marks and they were
Okay.
like कि तूने NEET नहीं किया इसलिए तूने physiotherapy किया. I'm like, you can't even speak in English.
But
Like don't.
neat ही पीना चाहिए यार. Because
I feel.
but you're right, we agree with you.
I feel कि उनको NEET पिला के धक्का दे देना चाहिए.
This is the unpopular
Yes.
part.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Bye-bye, Dadima. The hip break would have taken you out in 2 years anyway.
I genuinely feel like this is less of a comedy show and more of her getting many patients from Tanzania. One said reply नहीं देता नरक.
Yeah.
One says दादी अच्छे नहीं चला है मार डालेंगे उसको. I'm genuinely concerned with what is happening
No,
tonight.
I'm with her on this. Some old relatives are full of shit.
Yeah, of course.
Like 100%. Like full on. कुछ भी बकता है man जो.
And like
Like
they,
seriously, Khali Fokat, you wake up in the morning and it's like you should take medicine today. Why? You, according to astrology, you will get COVID. Hut.
But
Why?
some-
Who
but-
allowed you to leave the house?
Sometimes even parents though, you should teach kids to question everything.
no, but
Yeah.
my parents will like just like kick me out of the house then, so I don't question. No, but I have this. My parents are like very this thing कि तुम frank रहो, opinion दो, लेकिन opinion हम सुनेंगे नहीं. तुम opinion दे सकते हो but सुनेंगे
So
नहीं.
I think you should apply the same thing to them.
Yeah, I
Like,
do.
be like, yes, mom, say what you want.
Yeah, I do.
But bye. Right? Right?
I mean,
Follow.
today only my mom was like, कितने shows पे जाएगी? I was like, okay, say what you want, I'll still go.
Good,
Yeah.
good, very good, very
Very
good.
good.
इसके बाद मत जाना. You came for this. Very
Yeah.
good. Very good.
And then in the same show, you should not have kids.
Yeah.
बच्चे.
Yeah.
कुत्ता पालो.
The best thing you can do is go back home with a dog
Yeah.
and a Nigerian friend. Show them how it's done.
For you, we'll do this quick stress release exercise. Okay, all three of us are going to be your relatives, old relatives. Okay,
Yeah.
and you have this one chance to tell us whatever's going on in your mind. Let it out of your system.
Sure,
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
100%.
So,
बेटा
We'll
ये
say,
क्या है?
yeah,
Yeah.
like, Beta.
किसने बोला क्या? हेलो. अरे हाँ रोहन. कैसे हो?
अरे.
Hey, you got Sahil.
Hey,
Abhi,
it's all that friend Michael, man.
Father Aulas तो कितने shows पे जाएंगी? Somehow the uncle is Catholic. What are you doing when you go for the same show every time? Bloody unpopular opinion.
घर बैठ के रोटी बनाना सीखो ना बेटा. How you will
Fizzo,
एक सेकंड. I'm just sending you this WhatsApp message, okay? You know, Vande Mataram is voted number 1. Song by UNESCO. You know, UNESCO. You know, Goregaon meets there, yeah. They voted number 1. Yes.
आपने अपने बेटे को दैट इज मेरे पापा को रोटी बनाना सिखाया तो मुझे नहीं बनानी पड़ती.
Oh. And
बेटा बहुत फास्ट बोल दो बेटा.
and Papa's in the तवा ले. क्या हुआ? मैं बनाता हूँ चपाती हूँ क्या?
Papa's doing physio with the roti. You know? Nice, very good, very good. Give us
Yeah.
you. That's your final like.
Yes, of course. Like I hate my relatives. I mean, even if you're saying this, I hate you. And I know my relatives are going to see this. I told everybody I'm going on the show, and I want them to see this now.
Hell yeah. There we go.
उनका नाम दे देना मैं यहाँ पे सबटाइटल में डाल दूंगा. आधार, all details, everything.
If you install the Chrome extension, you'll see the dislikes are from.
You can just say पूरा खानदान. बस that will be enough.
वो relax.
Hey.
हम लोग मुंबई में रहते हैं.
I swear.
Abun, there, really, like just straight.
Let's just And then you're very,
Lola,
you're very nice. You're heteronormative. We don't. You're her ex, but we love
आम्ही
you.
आभारी आहोत की तुम्ही आम्हाला तुमच्या जगात राहू देतात. आम्ही या मुलीला ओळखत नाही.
नाही.
वेडी बाई आहे स्टेजवर चढली. आम्हाला काय नाही माहिती साहेब.
माहिती नाही. जाऊ द्या. ऐका दाजीबा.
मी तुमच्या बरोबर आहे साहेब. मुलगी शिकली प्रगती नाही झाली.
Hi there, thank you so much for watching the episode. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, please. But most importantly, leave a positive comment for the algorithm and hype this video up. The next episode of Unpopular Opinions drops in 2 weeks. We've got an insane panel and an insane episode coming out. And also, if you want to be part of the show, then tickets to upcoming shows are in the comments below. Come for the show. Give us your most controversial, unhinged opinions. And well, let's have fun together. Till next time, keep watching. Bye-bye.